What's going on, everybody? This is Phil from Millennial Money Gains, and we are back with a brand new video. In today's video, we are going to go over the top 3 stocks for this week. But first, we must go over the top 3 stocks that we picked from last week. If you have not subscribed yet, what are you doing, man? Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. We offer great information on investing, stocks, and all different areas of life. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also, smash that like button if you are hyped for this video to know the top 3 stocks for this week. Remember to do your own due diligence and do your own research, because investing is not a gamble, but it is a risk, and you need to be prepared to lose everything that you put into it. But with that being said, let's hop right into the video. Let's get started. So our first stock to watch out for from last week was Mara, lovely Mara. Ticker symbol is MARA. So if we take a look at Mara's chart from last week, we had a quick surge of about up almost 5% on the day on Monday. Then quickly Bitcoin reversed and Mara started dumping. So what did I do? Like I told you in the last, I like to day trade Mara, and if Bitcoin's doing well, I go long on Mara. If Bitcoin is not doing so well, I short Mara, and that is exactly what I did. So I shorted Mara for the rest of the week pretty much and made some money there. Like I said, guys, Mara, I think it is a good long-term investment, but I think you will do better on the daily and weekly setups for Mara because of the volatility in Bitcoin. So with that being said, I do think Mara is a long-term buy, but make sure you are prepared for it to drop hard, and especially this week, if Bitcoin does not recover after this recent crash, I do see Mara getting to probably in the 20s or so, if not lower. But moving on to our next play. Our next play was Tesla, so let's check out how Tesla did for the week. Tesla had a great week. It was up almost 8% overall, and right out of the gate it started jumping up. So at its peak it was up just over 13%, and Tesla made us a good amount of money. So if you guys saw, I said Tesla was a stock to look out for last week, and we did pretty well on Tesla. And last but not least, we had Palantir Technologies. Ticker symbol is PLTR. I told you guys to look out for this one because that is demo day, so make sure you were looking at the leading up to demo day, which was April 14th. I said that I was not going to hold through demo day, and it looks like I made the right decision. So we followed PLTR on the uptrend all the way, and it went up about 4% or so at its peak, and then it started crashing down after demo day as I predicted. Now, I do not get all the stocks correct, but I think with these 3 stocks last week, I nailed it, and I did a great job. Just to pat myself on my back a little bit. But make sure you guys are doing your own research. That is very important. You guys need to understand when to get into a position, and also when to get out of a position is just as important. Now, let's move on to this week's top 3 stocks. Let's get into it. So, the first stock on my list for this week is ticker symbol EBON. They are a Chinese crypto mining stock, and this is why I am very bullish on them for this week. Let's take a look at their chart. So, as you can see, they just bounced off a big area of support, and they started an uptrend on Friday. They went up, I believe it was about 14% on Friday. They got a big green volume bar there after they got beaten down like a dirty whore from Hindenburg. So I do see them getting a little bit of a comeback this week. Also, we have China that is recognizing Bitcoin as an investment. So I do think China will beat the United States in the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency race, just because they are legitimizing it, while we have our Federal Reserve saying that it is just an area for speculation. I think China will be leading the race in the cryptocurrency market. That is just my opinion, but that is why this ticker is on my list for next week. Next one on my list is going to be ticker symbol TGT, and this is Target. So, why is Target on my list? Let's take a look at their chart. Pull it up right here. So, as you can see, Target is pretty much at all-time highs, but I do not think it will be stopping here. I definitely see Target hitting around 215 to 220 this week, potentially. Now, we could see a small little pullback initially, but then I do think it will rise to all-time highs of around 215 to 220 this week. It is currently sitting at $208.55. So I do believe that we will see all-time highs from Target this week, continuing on their run. Very bullish on Target. The MACD is looking a little overextended, so like I said, we could expect a little pullback from them initially, but then I think it will rise to all-time highs. So that is ticker symbol TGT, which is Target. And last one on my list, we are going to be pulling up the chart here, is HD, which is Home Depot. So similar to Target, I do see Home Depot hitting all-time highs again, and I could continue to see them growing throughout this week. They are kind of ripping right now, and I do not think they are going to stop. Like I said, with Target, the MACD is a little overextended, so expect a little pullback, but I do see Home Depot going to all-time highs this week and potentially going upwards of $335 to $340 per share. But with that being said, those are going to be my top 3 stocks for this week. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, please make sure you smash that like button. Also, hit that subscribe button. That way you get, and the notification bell. That way you get notified every time I do post a video. I do post here at least twice per week, so look out for those videos. I want to thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.